Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Scratch from the Amazing Digital Circus. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off at the top and let's draw a curve down on the left. And then from the top, let's curve it over to the right side. Now top back over to the left side and let's hop in and draw a curve out to the left for the top of the snout. Now let's move inside and draw the eyes. On the left, let's draw a bump up and bring it down. And now for the right eye, let's draw a larger curve up. And close it off at the bottom. Now inside each of the eyes, let's draw a circle on the top right. And then underneath, let's draw a curve down and curve it over. And color these both in black. Now on top of each eye, let's draw the eyebrows by drawing a curve down. Now sticken it up by bringing it up in the center. And curve it down on top. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's draw the snout. On the left, let's draw a curve down. And bring it back in. Now let's hop in and draw the nose. Let's start with a curve down on the top left. Then let's curve it over. Add a bump up. Another curve, and one more bump. Now underneath the nose here, let's draw the mouth. Let's start with a wavy line across. And curve it back over. Now let's move in and draw the teeth. Let's start with a V-shaped point on the right here. And then bring it out on each side. And color the rest of the mouth in black. And that's it for the mouth. Now on the right side, we're going to draw the ear. Let's draw a long curve down. And another one next to it on the left. And let's close off the bottom with a curve across. And lastly, inside, let's draw an oval on the cheek. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Let's start with the neck with two curves down. And then a curve across. Now underneath the neck, let's draw a curve over to the right. And then angle it down for the sleeve. Now let's hop in and let's draw the other side of the sleeve here. And a curve at the top and the bottom. And then hop in and let's add another curve across. Now underneath, let's draw the first arm. Let's draw two bent lines over to the left like this. And then at the end for the hand, let's add a curve that's open at the bottom. And then add a bump inside. Now let's draw the hands. We'll start with a curve down. Now let's add the next finger by curving it down. Another one next to it. And one more smaller one. And then a bump up to finish off the hand. And then inside, let's draw 3 small lines. And that's it for the first arm. Now let's continue the torso. Let's move back over to the neck and let's draw a curve down. And then another one underneath the sleeve. And then curve it over at the bottom to close off the shirt. And then hop inside and let's draw another curve along the bottom. Now on the left side here, let's draw the other arm. Let's start at the top and we're going to draw a curve down and in for the other sleeve. And a curve across at the bottom. Now let's draw the other hand, starting on the left next to the belly. Let's draw a curve out and back in for the first finger. And then a curve down and up. Now for the next finger, let's hop underneath and let's add it here. And one more smaller one underneath this one. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's move underneath and draw the legs. Let's start underneath the shirt and let's draw a bump down. And then angle it down underneath. Now let's hop over and let's draw a longer angle down next to it. Now from the left line, let's curve it down for the top of the foot. And then close it off at the bottom. Now let's add the next leg on the right side. Let's draw an angle down. And a longer one next to it. And again, let's curve it down for the top of the foot. And close it off at the bottom. And that's it for the legs. Lastly, we're going to draw the tail. On the right side, next to the hand, let's draw a curve out and up. And then curve it down at the end. Let's add another spike out, a smaller curve underneath, and curve it all the way back in. And that's it for Scratch. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!